This has just come into stock today. It's a two-seater driftwood bench, although it's made, as you can see, out of beautiful teak root wood, all individually hand sculptured in Indonesia and shipped into the UK. As you see it, obviously packed and wrapped. But just look at the detail of this bench. I'll go around the back in a second. Might be a bit darker, apologies if it is, but I'll actually pause it and put it on hold and turn it around so you can see a proper view of the back. Okay, filming again. This is the back of the bench, and as you can see, it's just got fantastic detail. Don't think we've had one as nice as this. And as unique. So yeah, a really nice bench for someone. If you're interested, it's driftwoodhorse.co.uk. I'm Keith Douglas, or you can call us on 0845 3731 832. And just quickly, we do a lot of the small and full size animals as well, specialising in stags, horses and horse heads, and a few bits of furniture. There's lovely, it needs sanding and re-oiling, but there's a nice wine testing table there. Oh, and alpacas, of course, llamas, and there's two on our trailer, but of course they're all packed and wrapped at the moment, but we will be doing a post on those shortly.